Recently, there is a new open source text-to-image model called Flux. In this video, I will show you how Flux can generate image will be look like, and I will show a demo to use Macbook to run it locally. Here are some example images generated by community members using the Flux model. We can see that the details are extremely sharp and photorealistic. I'm really impressed by such high quality generating from the model. And you can also compare the model directly with Midjouney as shown here. Being an open source model means that everyone gonna able to run it locally. In this video, I want to share with you how to run it using MacBooks. Previously, I shared how to install and run Comfy UI on MacBooks. Please check out the video if you are not sure how to get started. Comfy UI has added a new example, which is called a Flux example. And as you can see, this is very, very detailed how to download the models. And there are basically two versions. There's FP16 and FP8. So FP16 requires more VRAM. In this video, I want to focus on the FP8 one. So let's, there is a single version ones like this one. So make sure that you can download the model from this page. Once you download the model, you can go to your Comfy UI installation directory, click the models, go to the checkpoints, and copy the downloaded file, this one, into this directory. So, and then you make sure that you also download this page, because the image PNG file, which contains the workflow, you can drag the workflow into your Comfy UI browser, so it will show you all the workflow you need. Next, let's start our Comfy UI. So make sure that you already installed that. So you go to your change directory to your Comfy UI, and you make sure that if you already installed that previously, you will need to do a git pull to update that. Otherwise, you do not need to do that. Okay, yeah, so make sure that you have the up-to-date Comfy UI code base, and then you can activate your Python environment and start. All right, so you can go to the URL in your favorite browser, drag your PNG file onto the page, so it will show you how it looks like, the detailed workflow. So make sure that you already have the model file downloaded, and I think there's some explanation. There's a note. So currently the negative one doesn't work. So all you need to do is the positive one. Okay, so from what I heard that the text is especially doing well in this new model. So probably you can try that. So let's do that. So we can hold us. Sorry. Yeah, so basically I'm just asking the model to generate a cute anime girl hold a sign saying like tech practice. This is my channel name. And you can play it around. And now we can start the inferencing. So let me open some of the resource here. All right, so let's get started. So because this is a very large model, it takes quite a long time to generate using my MacBook. You can see it takes quite a lot of RAM here. Okay, we see it complete the generating. And we see that the result looks quite amazing. Really nice. All the text, the fingers looks really nice. And we look at the progress bar. It looks like it took about 620 seconds to generate an image. And I did several try earlier. I think the second inferencing would be faster, but it still took about 7 minutes to generate one image. So because it is a really very new model, so we expect it will become faster in future. So if you have a MacBook, please give it a try. I think you won't be disappointed about the quality of the image, although it's kind of slow. But if the image is good, I think you wouldn't mind the waiting. Okay, so thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye.